Welcome to the fifth installment of our Building for the Future video series, highlighting essential improvements in our schools. I'm Business Administrator David Oliveira, and today we're looking into more of the renovations taking place at Piscataway High School's Susan B. Anthony building.
Episode 3 of our series provided details of the expansion and modernization of the Anthony Commons cafeteria, as well as the addition of a modern nurses' suite. That same repurposing of existing space also included an expanded principal's office suite and 2 new STEM classrooms, offering modern, 21st century spaces for our computer science and engineering classes. An outdated and redundant stairway that connected the first floor media center to the second floor principal's suite was removed as part of the makeover of our library and media center. By doing this, we captured 700 square feet of space that now includes a new conference room and 2 new offices that supplement the existing principals' and counselors' offices.
And now that's a place where counselors are running groups for kids. We can host larger meetings there. So that is a space that's getting used all of the time now that we've been able to get in there.
The conference room is equipped with multimedia equipment and is being used for student meetings, staff meetings, counseling conferences, administrative discussions, and more. The 2 offices now house a counselor and a district supervisor. Piscataway High School students are already reaping the benefits of the new engineering and computer science classrooms. The rooms feature an attractive, modern design that includes movable, functional seating and tables, interactive Promethean boards, multiple whiteboards, 3D printers, and teacher workstations. We also added creative storage options to maximize the usable space in the classrooms.
Actually, with the engineering class, that was an obsolete room that had been kind of reconfigured over the years, and it was large enough where we could take that and build a real state-of-the-art 21st century engineering classroom and a nurse's office in there as well. So again, maximizing the space that we had to benefit our students.
The largest part of the Piscataway High School project, remaking our media center into a modern digital hub and esports center, is nearing completion and will be the subject of a future video in our Building for the Future series.
In my mind, I've known what this is going to look like for the better part of 18 months or so as we've gone through the planning process. But now that we're near completion or at completion in certain phases of the project, people are starting to see the space. So now it's a lot of, when can I get in there? So there's definitely an excitement and a buzz in the building about opening this.
These investments in Piscataway High School, as well as other investments we are making in our pre-K through 8 schools, are being completed without a referendum or any bonded debt to our district. Modernizing our buildings will ensure that our students receive a cutting-edge education in the Piscataway Township schools for years to come. Thanks for watching.